So what exactly is a future log and how can you use one in your bullet journal? Hey Sunshines! If you're new to bullet journaling, you may wonder how you're meant to keep track of future events and appointments when future pages don't already exist like they do in a regular agenda or planner. In this video, I'll show you how I've set up my future log and migrated my information from the beginning of the year to now. If you've been watching since January, you'll know that I set up a future log at the beginning of my bullet journal and I've already been using it for 6 months. But as you can see, I've run out of space for all the things I need to add this summer. So I've decided to create a new iteration of my future log and migrate all of my important dates to the new spread. Of course, you can keep track of any iterated spreads like this by writing the new page numbers next to your future log in your index at the front of your bullet journal. You may even need to do this a few more times before the end of the year. So another thing you may not know is that I do a lot of my planning on separate paper, just so I'm able to really messily scribble out my ideas and figure out my layouts before I set them up in my bullet journal. Of course, I could do this in my bullet journal itself, but I like to keep my spreads as clean as possible. Not that they're perfect or anything, but I just prefer to do my messy brainstorming elsewhere so I don't have to stress about it. So once I have a solid idea of what information I'm showing and how I'll set it up, that's when I start filling in my spread. Here I'm just writing the events next to their corresponding week and using a color coding system that I determined during my brainstorming so that it's even easier to see what's happening at a quick glance. So that's how you use and migrate a future log spread in your bullet journal. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below. If this video was useful or inspiring, it always means a lot if you could give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to see more content in the future. Thanks for watching. Until next time.